Our topic for today is all about the techniques of differentiation. The first technique is slope of a constant. To illustrate this, now what is the slope of horizontal? Diba? The formula of slope is equal to rise over run. If we want to find the slope of horizontal line here, this is horizontal. Now, here, meron ba tayong rise in the horizontal? Diba? Walang rise, therefore that is 0. Since meron tayong run, because horizontal to meron tayong run, therefore that is equal to 1. Now, 0 over 1, that is 0. Therefore, the slope of horizontal is equal to 0. Now, to find the slope of a constant, here, let's say this point is C. The graph of the constant is horizontal. Therefore, C means constant. That is d over dx of C equal daw yan, kapag constant daw, equal sa 0. Ibig sabihin that the derivative of a constant is 0. For example, what's the derivative of 3? Since 3 is a constant, therefore the derivative of 3 is equal to 0. Another example, we have d over dx of negative 1. What is the derivative of negative 1? That is 0. What about the derivative of pi? What is the derivative of pi? Diba? Pi is a constant value in mathematics. Therefore, this is also 0. In other words, the derivative of a constant is 0. Next. Here in general, we have this formula. D over dx x raised to n. Here, this notation, we can write this like this, is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. This formula is called power rule. For example, we need to find the derivative of x raised to 2. Based on the formula, 2 is n. Ano daw gagawin? I-bring down mo lang yung exponent, magiging base siya. In our function, the exponent is 2. Ibaba mo lang daw yung exponent, ilagay mo yung variable na x, then, ano exponent niya? 2. Then, i-minus 1 daw natin. Therefore, to simplify this, we have 2 raised to, 2x. Anong raised niya? 2 minus 1, that is 1. Therefore, the derivative of x squared is equal to 2x. Another example, the derivative of 4x raised to the fifth power. Anong gagawin natin kapag yung variable natin ay may kasama ng numerical value? Ang gagawin mo lang, i-multiply mo lang yung exponent dun sa numerical value. 5 times 4, that is 20. X, ano exponent natin? 5. Anong gagawin daw sa formula natin in general or the power rule? Minus 1. Therefore, the derivative of 4x raised to the fifth power is 20x. What is 5 minus 1? That is 4. Therefore, the derivative of 4x raised to the fifth power is equal to 20x to the fourth power. Next one. What is the derivative of x raised to negative 3? That is equal to negative. Since the numerical value na kasama ng x ay wala, di ba? Laging may 1 dyan yan. Negative 3 times 1, that is negative 3x. What is the exponent? Negative 3 minus 1. Then, what is the derivative of x raised to negative 3? That is equal to negative 3x. What is negative 3 minus 4? That is negative 4. Now, this expression, we can write that as a rational function, or we can, paano ma-eliminate yung negative value na doon? Pwede mo daw yung i-rewrite as negative 3 over x raised to 4. These two expressions are the same. That is in general rule or in power rule. This is number 2. Another example. What is the derivative d over dx of our function 1 over x? Using the power rule, paano natin magagamit yung power rule dyan? We need to transform this expression into negative exponent. Paano ba i-rewrite yan in negative exponent? That is equal to d over dx. That is x raised to negative 1. Now, pwede na ba natin gamitin? Parehas na ba sila dito sa general rule? Yes. Therefore, that is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 times 1, that is negative 1. X, negative 1 minus 1 is equal to, what is the result? That is x raised to a negative x raised to negative 2. Now, since this is a negative exponent, we can write also this into rational function. That is equal to negative 1 all over x squared. This is the derivative of 1 over x. Number 3, technique. The constant multiple theorem. Or rule. That is d over dx of our function c times c, that is constant, f of x. We can write this as is equal to, anong equivalent niya? C, kapag may constant daw tayo, ilabas mo na siya, then multiply mo saan? Sa derivative ng ating function. Ayan. For example, what is the derivative of five x raised to the fourth power? What is the derivative of the 5x raised to the fourth power? Anong gagawin? Since meron tayong constant dyan, we have 5 times, what is our function? What's our function? We have the derivative nitong term na to, itong expression na yan, that is x raised to the fourth power. That is equal to 5 times. What is the derivative of x raised to the fourth power using the power rule or in general rule? That is 4x raised to the third power. Then simplify. 5 times 4, that is 20x to the third power. That is a constant multiple rule or theorem. Wait, alisin ko lang. Let's try another example. D over dx of pi x raised to negative 2. Since pi is a constant, pwede na natin siyang ilabas sa ating derivative. We have pi times, what is the derivative of our expression x raised to negative 2? That is equal to pi times, what is the derivative of x raised to negative 2? What's the derivative? That is negative 2 x raised to negative 3. Or we can say that is equal to negative 2 pi x to the third power. Or pwede natin i-write to as rational function, that is equal to negative 2 pi over, that is x raised to the third power. Kahit saan dito, pwedeng yung i-represent yung derivative. Pwedeng ito or ito.